Machine Sentry Next Generation.
The ability to create customized dashboards is a new feature to Machine Sentry to enable our users to quickly access data that is relevant to them as an individual. Each dashboard created is for an individual user, but can also be shared across the site where it has been created. Custom dashboards can be created at the homepage or at any level in the hierarchy once you enter a site. To start the process, you firstly need to unlock the dashboard using the padlock as you can see here. Once clicked, you can then create new dashboards or edit any existing custom dashboards. The default dashboards are not editable. Once unlocked, you will notice the plus button that appears at the end of the dashboard line. If you click here, it will open a new custom dashboard and present the user with a blank window. In the top right hand corner of this blank window, there is an Add button which will open a drop down menu. This will give the user a list of widgets that can be added to populate a custom dashboard, and this list will change depending on the level you are at in the hierarchy, or if you are on the home page. For this example, we will firstly add Asset Help. Once a widget is within a dashboard, it can be resized using the corners of the widget to click and hold and then move your cursor. Or you can move the widget around using the toolbar at the top of the widget. As you add more widgets, you just need to resize and move them around accordingly to design that you desire. If we go back to the dashboard toolbar and click on the three-dot menu for this dashboard, here you can rename to an appropriate title, duplicate this dashboard, hide it from view, or even remove it if it is no longer required. Once you are happy with your dashboard, hit the Save button in the top right and then lock the toolbar again to avoid any accidental changes.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.